already know. We're gonna check these tips out. See if they legit. Alright, check this out. Alright, damn. Neatly packaged. Neatly packaged. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One right there. But yeah, they got a neatly packaged in here. Don't want to scratch up or anything like that. Cool. Check them out. Comparison is crazy, man. Big difference. Alright, let me put this other one on, man. Get to it. I might push it in, but that shit gonna be loud. See if I hear a difference in this thing. It is a little louder. Remember when I did that the Revs? Yeah, the Revs on a muffled delete. This is a little louder. But when you do like a cold start or a warm start, whatever, it sounds the same. I think when you accelerate, hit that gas, it's a difference, man. It's a difference. Difference, fam. When I did that Rev video, doing my Revs on the stock tips, it didn't sound like that. I swear it didn't. But when you do like the cold start or warm start, it sounds the same. It's like when you hitting that gas, it's a difference, man. It's a damn difference. Y'all comment, like, subscribe, man.